Hey everyone! Welcome back to EngCanton Learn, your fast track to Cantonese fluency. We've learned to say thank you and give great compliments. But what if you need to say no?
Hey, wanna grab dinner tonight?
No.
Let's fix that. Today, the art of polite refusal. How to say no nicely, using the soft cushion rule in 3 easy steps. The softener, the core reason, and the follow-up.
In Cantonese culture, saying "mduk" directly is like, bam, slamming the door shut. It hurts face, so to protect respect and harmony in a relationship, we use softer strategies. This is the soft cushion rule. Before saying no, always place a psychological cushion. Formula: softener, core reason and follow-up.
Layer 1. The softener. Your best softener is 唔好意思. It's not a deep apology. It's a versatile tool that means, I'm sorry to say. Or, I'm afraid that, and it prepares the listener emotionally before the refusal. Remember, we learned this in Lesson 1. It is much softer than 對唔住 for daily use.
今晚出嚟食飯啦！唔好意思，我今日約咗人。
Now, your turn. Say it after me.
唔好意思，我今日約咗人。
The second layer is the core reason. Here, we state a neutral and factual reason. If your reason sounds too harsh, we can use vague words like 有啲, a bit, or 好似, seem to make it sound softer and less absolute. Critical tip: for close friends, vague reasons are acceptable. For seniors or your boss, your reason should be specific and responsible to show respect and reliability.
有啲，好似。
Your turn. Great job. For example,
Instead of saying 我好攰 try 我有啲攰。唔好意思，我今日有啲攰。
another example,
今日好似有啲唔舒服。今日好似有啲唔舒服。其實真係幾唔舒服㗎。
The final layer is the follow-up and magic particles. The 2 main ways are delay, to show future possibility, or offer an alternative, to show willingness to. Then, seal it with the magic words. The friendly particles la or ah. They make the tone relaxed and kind. For examples, delay plus a magic particle gives you.
下次先啦。下次先啦。
Or, try to offer an alternative plus a magic particle.
不過我可以晏啲過嚟啊。不過我可以晏啲過嚟啊。
The la and ah make everything sound polite and smooth, like adding a little smile to the end of your sentence. Let's try a couple of scenarios. Your friend asks, join us for karaoke tonight? You could say,
唔好意思，我今日有啲攰。下次先啦。
let's try.
唔好意思，我今日有啲攰。下次先啦。
Perfect. Even the mood feels gentle now.
Ooh! Yay!
Now, what if it's your boss?
Can you take this extra task?
唔好意思，我有啲嘢趕緊，晏啲再跟進好唔好啊？
Your boss will love this kind of polite, thoughtful no. I know this one's a bit long. You got this. Let's try it together.
唔好意思，我有啲嘢趕緊，晏啲再跟進好唔好啊？
Key emphasis here. The alternative or follow-up is more crucial than delay to show you are solving a problem, not just refusing work. All right, now what if it's a stranger, like someone on the street asking you to do a survey?
Can you help me fill out a survey?
唔好意思，我趕時間啊。
One more time.
唔好意思，我趕時間啊。
For strangers, keep it quick and clear. A simple softener, a factual reason, and the magic particle, that's all you need. Quick, clear, and no awkwardness. Let's wrap up with a quick formula. Remember this simple structure.
Start with 唔好意思, add a 有啲 or 好似 and a reason. Suggest 下次. Finish with a gentle la or ah.
Say no like this, and trust me, people will still like you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips. See you next time.